2025 economy of India. Will the stock market really go up or is it going to crash? And astrologically, how does various factors look when it comes to the economy of India? So in this video, you're going to know about what is the astrological situation and how is it going to affect India. In the first place, how is the stock market going to get affected? And second place, how is the entire economy of India going to be in the coming few months? So how is this particular period going to be, and why am I in specific talking about this year? Because we are having a six planet transit which is going to come, and it is very similar to how we had a transit of 6 planets during 2019 when the COVID outbreak happened, when the pandemic happened. So the similar kind of combination is coming up, but not that adverse, but at some point it will definitely show an impact. So 2019 transit, or the Graha Sherkai or Graha transit, whatever we call, was in the very weakest point in Dhanush, and now in Meena we are almost going to have a replica which is around 5 to 6 planets which will come together in the month of March. So if you see March a month, the transit will happen. At the same time, March month 29th, we are also going to have the eclipse which will be happening in India's 11th house. So the 11th house signifies financial income growth, gains and the reforms, and how the markets are going to react, and how as the country, how the various top performers are going to have their results. And definitely when such a transit happens, it will have a kind of a negative impact overall. So very first thing is, we can expect there to be a plateau, or expect there to be a downfall or a bearish trend which can come, and most of the companies can report a negative P&L when the financial year ends, and the government's reforms and the government's taxes, new rules and everything will cause a lot of temporary turbulence, and also we can expect unrest and wars breaking out in different parts of the country or different parts of the world. So that can also have an adverse effect in the growth of the Indian economy. So we can easily say that the next 6 months to 8 months is going to be a really tough time. And when the time the Rahu, Ketu and Saturn separates, that is Rahu, Ketu and Saturn, that is Rahu and Saturn will transit together for 3 months, and then Rahu will get separated. And similarly, when Jupiter also transits, it will almost be the month of May. So March to May can be a really difficult time when it comes to Indian stock market and the economy. And also we can expect there to be a very bearish trend, and a trend reversal can happen where consistently performing sectors will not perform that well, where surprisingly certain other sectors can perform really well. So this is an astrological video which will help plan your finances and help everybody in understanding how the 2025's economy is going to be. So keep watching my channel, and also don't forget to subscribe and share this video.